So, I commend you all for this Gala production. This is really, really great. Well, I have a couple of questions. Pero first of all, were there any particular factors that led you guys to choose the language for the entire play? Kasi this could have been in any other languages, but is there any particular thing push you guys to choose the language that you that you chose for this place? Okay.
Okay po.
First, thank you for staying at pag-bisita dito sa maliit naming theater. Anyway, fascinated talaga ako ever since sa Bisaya. I don't know, hindi ako nag-Bisaya. In fact, sa theater din, hindi sila yung nag-Bisaya. So sabi ko, it's a great challenge for us to do. May beauty kasi siya pag napapakinggan niya. Pag nakikinig ako ng dalawang sa salita ng Cebuano or any language sa Bisaya, parang nagagandahan. Parang gano'n. May tono siya na.
It's something din kasi namin very praiseworthy, lalo na with the cast, kasi we were able to deliver it in such a way that it sounded na we were natives to the language. Hindi siya naging blockade sa experience ng ano. And something din na I wanted to ask Sir, kasi it was a difficult it was a difficult na role, I guess, kasi other actors would have just be angry, I guess. Pero kasi for some reason it was one of the few instances na I really hated the character, and I guess that's a testament to your skills. Kasi one could think na they were just acting, but I could feel a visceral hate to your character. So in preparation for that character, did you have any thought? Kasi you could have just like shouted and all, but did you do anything to add credibility to the character?
Actually, nung rehearsals, problem ko rin yung paano ko lalagay ng variations, yung anger, yung rage. So, matinding script analysis and pegs, kumbaga manunood ng iba't ibang klase ng galit. So, kailangan siya i-deconstruct talaga kung paano mo siya ilalabas. Like, nakita ko rin kasi na parang the safest or the easiest way is to act the emotion. Pero, mas mag-iiba siya if na-determine mo kung ano gusto mong gawin or yung ano yung character mismo ni Patrick, which is narcissistic, mayabang, mabilis ma-trigger, diba? And another layer pa yung nasa martial law 80s, tapos training under the police, ganyan. Tatay ko rin police, so medyo kumuha din ako ng inspiration sa kanya. May mga times na kapag magta-try ako, tapos minsan ako konsensya ko backstage, may iyak ako, charot, sa ginagawa ko. Ayun lang po. Sorry sa mga sinampal ko, sorry sa mga sinampal ko. Ayun po, thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.